Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in quickly here and have a little chat about our teeth. Yes, our teeth, because it's really important. And it's really important to really take care of your teeth, whatever diet you following. But I've noticed, especially if you're eating a lot of fruits, you gotta really take care. When I first started eating raw and eating lots and lots of fruit, I actually started having some teeth sensitivity. Like I would eat something really sweet, like a date, let's say, or some orange or a grape, and I would have like a really like my teeth are sensitive, and it even started hurting a little bit. But that didn't actually last long. It wasn't too long at all, and I've read about it, and people say that it's actually your body is detoxing when you eat in high fruit diet. It's really cleansing to your body, and you are detoxing and your teeth are detoxing, so things might start hurting here and there. But the good news is that I used to have, when I used to floss, right, I used to have like a little bit of blood, like a little bit of bleedy gums, and I don't have this anymore. It's been such a long time already since I had this problem, and right now I can like vigorously floss my teeth, and I don't have a single drop of blood. It's really like, I don't know, it's like my body seems like it adapted really well to this lifestyle, to this high fruit lifestyle. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is, when you eat high fruit diet, right, and especially if you eat things like, let's say, mangoes or some oranges, tangerines, the things that they have like a lot of fiber, right, like this little fibrous strings, they usually would most certainly get stuck in between your teeth, right? Like, well, they definitely stuck in my teeth. I don't know, maybe my teeth are not super tight together. So all these little fibers, they really get stuck in my teeth, like not in between every tooth, but like where I have like little bigger gaps, I guess, they do get stuck. And I've noticed that I really have to take them out. When you eat fruit, it's really alkaline to your body. It's really good. But if it gets stuck in your teeth, it's kind of acidic, and it might start corroding your enamel. It might start destroying your teeth, and that's obviously not ideal. So the best thing to do is, every time after I eat any kind of fruit meal, I go ahead and I make sure that I floss my teeth. I use my dental floss. I'm gonna show you what I use here. This is not affiliated. I don't sell anything on this channel, but I just simply want to share with you guys what I really like. So yeah, some of the products that I use, I'm gonna share with you guys, and hoping to help anyone here, because it is really extremely important to take care of your teeth, because we don't want to destroy our teeth. We don't have an extra set that can grow after the tooth comes out anymore, right? Once you get adult teeth, that's it, you're set for life, and it's important to take care of them. So anyway, so what I'm trying to say is that after every single meal, I do use dental floss, and I really enjoy this charcoal dental floss. It's really nice. It comes with this glass container, and I basically buy refills. It's not exactly a cheap one, but I really like it, and it really, I like how it cleans my teeth really well. And in addition to that, I use toothpaste. I don't really concentrate too much on toothpaste. I'm going to show you which ones I use here. As long as they are fluoride free, because I don't, like to put some rat poison in my teeth. So I usually make sure that I have some fluoride free toothpaste. And yeah, and I just simply rinse my mouth after every meal. I floss, I rinse, and I use this, the toothbrush is regular toothbrush. It's regular, but it's, battery operated, because I'm lazy, right? So I just do that, and that's it. And my teeth, I don't have problems with my teeth. Every time I go to my dentist, I usually go once a year, he always compliments, and he always says, wow, what do you do? How do you keep your teeth so well? Well, it could be also related to genetics, of course. My dad, he used to have really, really good teeth. And I remember my mom, she always wished for me to have good teeth like my dad because she didn't have good teeth. Her teeth was really, really the worst you can imagine. And yeah, so I guess I did get my dad teeth. But the problem with him, he unfortunately had some parodontitis. So his teeth started falling out because he didn't have any bone. Yeah, so once you don't have any bone, obviously the teeth cannot be attached to anything. So I do go to the dentist like about once a year, and I do check to make sure everything is okay. And so far so good. So far my dentist only compliments me. So I do think it's important to go to your dentist at least maybe, you know, once a year, maybe twice a year. But right now I started to see less and less need for me to actually go to the dentist, because I see that my like I used to have like a little bit of like tartar on the inside of my teeth, like some sort of, you know, some sort of stuff on top of my teeth, and they would like sit there and it wouldn't, you know, go away, and it looks dirty, and I can't like use a regular brush and just brush it off. So I would have to go to a dentist and just clean it out. Right now I don't see this problem. Like on the inside, outside and inside, my teeth are really like white. They are super white. Well, I also don't drink coffee. I drink herbal teas sometimes, not all the time. And yeah, that could also affect your teeth. But I think the biggest thing that happened to me was, you know, I started eating a lot of fruits, and it kind of like cleans the teeth. And even though it cleans the teeth, guys, still make sure to rinse your teeth really, really well with water and floss it after the fruit, because it could still go, you know, the other way. It can cleanse you and it can destroy, you know. So yeah, you gotta make sure to keep your teeth nice and clean by just simple things. Just floss, just brush twice a day, floss and rinse, and that's all you really need. And that's all I really do, and it works, obviously. Don't forget to do this, because if you do forget and you go, let's say, to sleep without flossing your teeth, that's gonna be even worse. All I wanted to say, just to make sure that if you eat fruit, and you should eat fruit, and you should eat a lot of fruit, please make sure to take care of your teeth. I do have a water pick also, but I haven't been really using it because I guess I'm lazy. I don't want to clean it, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to have too much like clutter on my counter in my sink. And, you know, I'm trying to minimize things in my life, and I'm trying to do what I can with minimal things. So for now, I haven't even been using my water toothpick. I'm just using the floss and the toothbrush. That's it. And the toothpaste, of course. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. It was a quick one, as I said, and but it's really, really important one. So I hope you stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.